Exams are here again, and some students are acting like the questions came from another planet. But I will say this boldly and respectfully. Any student who truly prepares for an exam will pass, at least a pass mark. Please don't get me wrong. I believe in individual differences, different learning styles, auditory, visual, and kinesthetic, varying retention levels, unique brain development, but preparation still makes a difference because it's one thing to read, it's another thing to study, especially with purpose and seriousness, not just reading to fulfill all righteousness. Now let's talk real. Did you attend classes? Did you pay attention and take notes? Did you revise and use textbooks or other study aids? Did you intentionally study for the examination? If yes, then you should pass because effort shows, even if the exam isn't a walk in the park. Of course, we must acknowledge when exam questions are off topic or ambiguous, when the teacher sets questions that even they can't explain, when some examiners behave like they are on a mission of wickedness. But apart from that, preparation must produce results. At the very least, a pass mark. In fact, a pass mark shouldn't be seen as a failure or something to be ashamed of because the goal isn't about scoring an A in everything. The goal is I understood what I studied. I was sure of what I wrote. I can explain it over and over with my full chest. Let's stop celebrating grades that might be deceptive over authentic learning. And please, let's also talk about the foundations some of our students are standing on. Sadly, many junior secondary or senior secondary students can't handle primary level tasks, not because they need a refresher, but because they never actually learned it. Why? Here are just a few reasons. Double promotion. Parents in a hurry for their child to graduate. Parents chasing money and neglecting academic follow-up. Poor educational structures, where scores are packaged to promote students, not to prepare them. Results? A student in SS2 who can't spell their own name or differentiate between capital and small letters. A secondary school student who is afraid of any question longer than one line. Students who know the answers only by cram and pour, not because they understand the subject. La cram, la pour, la forget. This is not to shame anyone. This is not to act like I don't have my own thoughts. This is a concerned call for change. Let's stop brushing things under the carpet. Let's stop packaging what needs fixing. Let's raise learners who are truly equipped, not just promoted. What's your take on this? Have you experienced or observed something like this? Let's discuss. Share this with parents, teachers, or students. Together, we can eduminate our world. Stay strong, stay smart, keep eduminating. Thank you.